Today we learn mathematics using numbers, formulas, and textbooks. But 4000 years ago, the Babylonians had none of these. They had only two things, land and a rope. Their first question was, if all we had a rope and a piece of land, how can we measure the world? Before numbers, there were shapes. Before people understood numbers as symbols, they understood mathematics through shapes. Imagine stretching a rope in a straight line. It has only one measurement, length. No width, no area, just a line. Today we call this one dimension. Now take the same rope and place it in two different directions. Suddenly a shape appears, a square. The Babylonian did not think a square has four sides. Instead, they looked at the space inside it. They discovered that the area of a square depends on side into side. Turning rope into a grid. Imagine a rope with 5 equal sections marked by knots. Place it on the ground. Mark every knot. Now draw lines between them. What do you get? A square grid. 5 rows, 5 columns. 25 tiny squares. The Babylonian could literally see that 5 square equal to 25. Not as a formula, as a picture. Now imagine a small square. How do we make it bigger? The Babylonians discovered something interesting. Add an L shaped strip around it, and the square grows. A small square becomes a bigger square. Centuries later, Greek mathematicians called this shape gnomon. Area grows, shape grows, patterns appear. What happens when we cut a square? Take an odd number, 3 square. Its area is 9. Cut it in half. Half of 9 is 4.5. Notice something. 4.5 sits between 4 and 5. And suddenly the numbers 3, 4, 5 start appearing together. Now try even number 8. 8 square is 64. Inside that pattern, another famous set appears 8, 15, 17. Instead of cutting the square vertically or horizontally, they cut it diagonally. A new shape appeared, a triangle. And not just any triangle, a right angled triangle. A perfectly 90-degree corner using rope shaped into 3, 4, 5 or 8, 15, 17. They could create accurate right angles. This helped them build fields, walls, temples, and monuments. The hidden secret. Then they discovered something amazing. Build a square on the side of length 3. Area 9. Build another on the side of length 4. Area 16. Add them together. 9 plus 16 equals 25. And 25 is exactly 5 squared, the biggest square. This means the area of the two smaller squares is exactly equal to the area of the largest square. Today we write this as a square plus b square equal to c square. But the Babylonians saw it long before the formula existed. One of the strongest pieces of evidence is a clay tablet called YBC 7289, a 4000-year-old mathematics note. The Babylonians did not begin with formulas. They began with land, a rope, and a question. How can we measure the world? And from that question, geometry was born.